But I'm going to explain in Turkish because this question is a little hard to understand. But let me read the question in English first. So let's just say there are 25 different types of coupons. And suppose that each time one obtains a coupon, it is equally likely to be any of the 25 types. Okay. So you are, for example, purchasing coupons, and this coupon can be any of these 25 types at every time you obtain it. Compute the expected number of different types that are contained in a set of 10 coupons. So let me explain this in Turkish. Imagine you have football player cards. Okay, football player cards. So let me translate the question in English first, then I'm going to go back to Turkish. So imagine you are collecting football player cards. Okay, and when you purchase a football player card, you can see the picture of any one of these 25 different football players. Okay, so every football player has the same chance. When you purchase a football player card, it can be any of these 25 football players. Now, you would like to collect all of these 25 football players, let's just say, and your objective, in order to do that, you are purchasing 10 coupons in the first place. So my objective is this. If I purchase 10 coupons or 10 football player cards, maybe by chance, all of these football players can be different. Okay? But by also chance, some of these football players can be the same. Okay? If I am unlucky, maybe I'm going to purchase the same picture twice or three times, or more than three times. So the question is asking this. If I purchase 10 football player cards, what is the expected number of different football players that I am going to see in this collection? Okay? Şimdi Türkçe anlatayım arkadaşlar. Düşünün ki sakızlardan futbolcu kartı çıkıyor. Ama siz sakızı almadan ve paketi açmadan içinden hangi futbolcunun çıkacağını bilmiyorsunuz. Sadece burada bir şans var. Toplamda 25 tane futbolcu kartı var ve bu 25 tane futbolcu kartından herhangi bir tanesine o gelme ihtimali 1 bölü 25. Yani bütün futbolcuların hepsinin eşit şansı var diyelim. Şimdi siz 10 tane sakız satın alıyorsunuz ve 10 tane sakız satın aldıktan sonra diyorsunuz ki bu 10 tanenin içerisindeki birbirinden farklı futbolcu kartı sayısının beklenen değeri nedir? Şansınıza belki 10'u da farklı olabilir ama yine şansınıza belki 10'u da aynı olabilir. Hani muhtemelen 10'u da farklı olmayacak, muhtemelen 10'u da aynı olmayacak ama belirli bir sayıda farklı olacak. Bize sorulan soru da bu. Bunun beklenen değeri nedir? Ortalama kaç tane farklı futbolcu görürüm ben bu setin içerisinde? Şimdi bunun için ne yapacağım? İlk önce diyeceğim ki xi diye bir Bernoulli değişkeni tanımlıyorum. So I define a Bernoulli random variable xi for each football player. So the first football player, the second football player, and for all football players of these 25 football players, I define a Bernoulli random variable. And I will say that this Bernoulli random variable is going to be equal to 1 if there is at least one type of ith coupon or one picture of that football player in the set of 10. Yani i'inci futbolcunun o 10 tane alınan sakızın içerisinde en az bir tane resmi varsa arkadaşlar bu 1 olacak ve o 1 farklı futbolcu sayısını sayarken sayılacak. Yani ben mesela birinci futbolcuya soracağım. Diyeceğim ki senin resmin var mı bu 10 tanenin içinde? Evet var derse onu 1 kabul edeceğiz. Yok derse 0 kabul edeceğiz. Sonra ikinci futbolcuya soracağım. Evet var derse 1 kabul edeceğiz. Aksi takdirde 0 diye kabul edeceğiz. So every one value here regarding to each football player is going to count towards the total number of different football player pictures in the set of 10. Of course, these Bernoulli random variables are not independent from each other as well, because we know that at most 10 of these Bernoulli random variables can be one. Yani en fazla 10 tane farklı futbolcu çekebileceğimiz için 10 tane kutuda, değil mi? Buradaki 25 tane Bernoulli rastsal değişkeninden en fazla 10 tanesinin bir olabileceğini biliyoruz. Dolayısıyla bu Bernoulli rastsal değişkenleri de birbirinden bağımsız değil. Dolayısıyla toplamları da binomiyel değil arkadaşlar. Bağımsız olmadıkları için birbirlerinden toplamı Yani şu x rastsal değişkeni binomiyel bir rastsal değişken değil. Okay. So it doesn't matter. Now, what I'm going to do is this. What is the probability of for any football player to have the Bernoulli random variable being equal to 1? So I'm just going to determine the probability distribution or the success probability for each xi here. Now, the probability of xi to be equal to 1, or in other words, the probability of at least having one picture of that football player in the set of 10, how can we calculate that probability? I can use the complement events probability. I am going to subtract the probability of having no pictures of that football player in the set of 10 from 1. So what is the probability for any football player to have no pictures in the set of 10? Now, imagine we have 25 football players, and every time we select a card or we purchase a football player card, it is going to be one of the other ones, not that football player. So with 24 over 25 chance, with 24 over 25 chance, it is not going to be that football player. And in the following 10 football player cards, the probability of seeing no picture of that specific football player is going to be 24 over 25 to the power 10. And if I subtract that probability from 1, that probability is going to give me the probability of having at least one type I coupon or at least one picture of that football player in the set of 10. So basically, here, all these random variables for each of these football players is going to be a Bernoulli random variable with success probability 0.3352. So that is the probability of having at least one picture of a specific football player in the set of 10. Now, what is the expected value of this Bernoulli random variable? It is going to be equal to its success probability, which is 0.3352. And my objective is to calculate the expected value of number of different football players in the set of 10, which is the expected value of x here, which I can compute as the expected value of the sum of these 25 Bernoulli random variables, and whether xi's are dependent or independent, the expected value of sum is always equal to the sum of expectations. Therefore, the answer would be 25 times 0.3352, and that is going to be 8.38. So actually, when you purchase 10 coupons, the number of different football player pictures in these cards is going to be 8.38 on the average. Okay, that is the average value. If you repeat these experiments, so imagine now everybody is purchasing 10 football player cards. Now, some people get all of the 10 different. Some people will get only 5 different football player cards. So if we take the average of these too many people purchasing 10 football player cards and counting the number of different football players in their set, the average would be 8.38.